You're listening to the REC Experience.
So I like to make my money on the purchase.
Yep.
You know, and that way I know if I have to get it reappraised or I have to sell it even as is, there's room for me to make some money. So you make your money on the front. Second way I make money is, like I said, forced appreciation, which is doing a renovation that adds value, and the value of that renovation is worth more than the price of it. So, you know, you buy it, you put 50 in, it's worth another 75 when you're done. So now I've made money on the purchase, I've made money on the renovation. Then I like to make money on rental income, right? So positive cash flow. Positive cash flow is the third way I'm making money. Fourth way I'm making money is principal recapture, right? So ideally your financing principal is being paid back. Fifth way I'm making money is market appreciation over time. Crushing it there.
I love it.
Right? And if I'm doing this extremely well, like I do in North America, is I finance both in Canada and the United States, and I can make money on the currency as well, because as the currency changes, I can just move my debt back and forth to different lines of credit.
Right.
And so I'm making money a sixth way.
6 ways.
6 ways to make money when investing in North America. And there's even more kind of there's others that aren't as common and that you can't rely on as much. They come up from time to time. I'm like, I'm going to do this, that, the other thing. And that comes with time and experience and just understanding. But there's another. I mean, the seventh is in your tax benefits. I make money through companies. I make them through capital gains, which is a savings and compared to income tax. So there's a seventh way you're making money in real estate that's going to be better than just earning income. And so if I can spend the same amount of time and I can make money 7 times over, whereas someone else is only making money once, it's impossible to keep up. And that's why wealthy people continue to get wealthier, because they're not making money one way. They're making money 5 to 10 ways using the same amount of time that you're putting in to just make money once.